Understand IC. Internal combustion engine. Such engine in which any fuel is burned inside the cylinder, called IC engine. Internal combustion. In above figure, name of parts as 1 spark plug, 2 rocket arm, 3 valve spring, 4 intel port, 5 inlet valve, 6 exhaust port, 7 exhaust valve, 8 cylinder, 9 piston rings, 10 push rod, 11 water jacket, 12 piston, 13 gudgeon pin, 14 connecting rod, 15 crank pin, 16 crankshaft, 17 cam, 18 crankcase, 19 crank. Advantages of IC engine. The advantages of the internal combustion engine, some of them as under follows. 1. Thermal efficiency of internal combustion engine is high. 2. Internal combustion engine produces high horsepower inside the engine. 3. Internal combustion engine starts easily and immediately. 4. Internal combustion engine keeps mechanically simple structure. 5. Internal combustion engine occupies very less space. 6. Internal combustion engine price also very less. Application of IC engine. Internal combustion engine are used and application given below. 1. Internal combustion engine is used in airplanes and vehicles on running mechanically. 2. Internal combustion engine is used in tractors, small boats, concrete mixing machines. 3. Internal combustion engine is also used in marine engines and industrial works. Classification of IC engine. 1. According to the types of fuels used. 1. Petrol engine. 2. Diesel engines or oil engines. 3. Gas engine. 2. According to the igniting fuel. 1. Spark ignition engines, briefly written as SI engine. 2. Compression ignition engines, briefly written as SI engine. 3. Hotspot ignition engines. 3. According to the number of strokes per cycles. 1. 4-stroke cycle engines. 2. 2-stroke cycle engines. 4. According to the cycles of operator. 1. Otto cycle engine, also known as constant volume cycle. 2. Diesel cycle engine, also known as constant pressure cycle. 3. Dual combustion cycle engine, also known as semi-diesel cycle. 5. According to the speed of engine. 1. Slow speed engines. 2. Medium speed engine. 3. High speed engine. 6. According to the cooling system. 1. Air-cooled engines. 2. Water-cooled engines. 3. Evaporative cooling engines. 7. According to the method of fuel injection. 1. Carburetor engines. 2. Air injection engines. 3. Airless or solid injection. 8. According to the number of cylinders. 1. Single-cylinder engines. 2. Multi-cylinder engines. 9. According to the arrangement of cylinders. 1. Vertical engines. 2. Horizontal engines. 3. Radial engines. 4. Inline multi-cylinders engines. 5. V-type multi-cylinders engines. 6. Opposite piston engines. 7. Opposite cylinder engines. 10. According to the valve mechanism. 1. Overhead valve engines. 2. Side valve engines. 11. According to the method of governing. 1. Hit and miss governed engines. 2. Quantitatively governed engines. 3. Qualitatively governed engines. 4. Combine governed engines. How is the process of 1 cycle? 1. Suction or charging stroke. 2. Compression stroke. 3. Expansion or working stroke. 4. Exhaust stroke. Parts of IC engine. 1 cylinder, 2 cylinder head, 3 piston, 4 piston rings, 5 connecting rod, 6 crankshaft, 7 crankcase, 8 flywheel.